Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Victor. I run my business with AI so I can get more done in less time. This lets me close my laptop faster and get back to spending time with my family. I'm going to show you exactly how I run my business with agents so that I can do things in between activities with my kids and still stay extremely productive with all of my businesses. I'm part of a community that runs our business with AI, even though we had never touched AI before. But it's not what you'd expect, right? I didn't become a hacker overnight. I didn't start writing lines of code. I just learned how to use systems, and I'm going to show you exactly the same systems that I do. Heads up from here, you're still going to be hearing me, just not the me standing here right now. I cloned my voice with AI so that I could get this whole video done with my kids on the way to school and doing a couple of activities. I might pop by later to check on how things are going, but here's Victor. That's me, or near enough. I'll take it from here. Good. That's every overdue invoice from this week, chased, ready to send. And I didn't write one of them, but rewind. Most owners think building something like that takes code. It doesn't. It takes minutes, no code at all. So here's what you'll get. You'll watch me build one AI teammate from nothing, then hand it a real admin job, no code, and then you'll see how a few of them become a team that runs your admin. Remember, last time you taught your system one skill and it learned to write in your voice. A skill teaches it one thing. But one skill on its own, not a teammate yet. So here's the whole idea. In one line, take a skill pointed at one whole task you'd normally do yourself, and that's an agent. A teammate that owns that job, start to finish. Now picture one for every job you dread. Later on, we'll add connectors, ways to plug your AI teammates straight into the data that lives outside your working folders. For now, just hand it the information, drag your files into the session, and tell it to work off those for this one. Step 1. The starting prompt. You don't code it, you brief it, like a new hire. Here's the exact prompt. Chase my overdue invoices in my voice and check how late each one is before you write. Step 2. You train it. Watch what it reaches for. The voice skill you already built, so it sounds like you. One draft looks too soft, so you tell it, make that one firmer. And it adjusts. That's training. Step 3. Deploy it. Give the go-ahead and adjust every chaser, each one matched to how overdue it is, ready to send. The whole afternoon's job, done while you read it back.
Hey, what's up, everybody? I just wanted to pop by real quick and check on how things are going. Hope the understanding of how agents work and how you can build your own with skills and tasks is making sense. If you're liking this content, please do me a quick favor and like, comment, subscribe, follow the channel, let us know what you want us to build next, and we'll keep going from there. Back into it.
So that's one teammate deployed. Now the team. One for your quotes, one for your inbox, one for your booking. Each one a job off your plate, each one working the way you would. That's how you save hours on admin every week, not with one clever prompt, with a team. A team that keeps doing the work and keeps getting it more right because it runs on your skills. No developer, no code. Skills you already have, pointed at the jobs you already dread, running as a team. You just built your first teammate. If this helped, a like and a subscribe go a long way. And tell me in the comments which job do you want handed over next. That's usually where the next video comes from. Then come do the free 5-day owner to operator challenge with us. One real win a day, and you'll have your own team running by the end of the week.